which is you just make a little progress every day. So today I'm going to wake up, I'm going to make progress. Make progress in the litigation, make progress in the portfolio, I'll make progress with my life, and progress compounds, a bit like money compounds. You don't see a lot of progress in the first few weeks, but like 30 days in, like, oh, okay. You can't look up at the mountaintop where you used to be, because then you'll give up, right? But you just make step by step by step, and then 90 days in, you're like, okay, I was way down there.
Later.
Alright, y'all, so today is a Friday and it's been a while since I made a day in a life. So we basically finna have a day in the life today. I'm gonna be taking you guys through a day in my life. And well, we have NFP today. I'm gonna be trying to trade NFP.
What the hell are you talking about?
So basically that's just what up. I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
1 hour later.
Alright guys, so I've actually missed out on this trade. This is a US30. I was looking out for some sales. The reason why I actually missed out was I think I was scared. I was supposed to get in right here, but then when this candlestick closed, I expected this next candlestick to be like, give me a pullback. Then if I get a pullback in and then I see another rejection, I'm getting in. I wanted a lot of confirmations, so I missed out on this sale. But I'm still looking out to see if I could get me in any other trade. I'll still be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it. Alright, y'all, so I'm currently headed out to get me a haircut. As you guys can see, my hair is really like going wild. So I need to trim it up a little bit. And I have a delivery that I have to pick up. So I'm finna run out real quick and pick it up, get my hair done real quick. So I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
Baby, read the fine print. I've got baggage and it's all Gucci. Don't
15 minutes later.
get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer. One love like in the movies. Wasting precious time assuming. Oh, what we made to fall.
2 hours later.
I'm not lonely when solo and solely exploring what I need. Cause dozens of times I swear that I knew when the wisdom was scanty. Doesn't mean I was broken so open, I gave until empty. Got it all back by myself, no nobody can tempt me. If I turn off, I'm breathing, sitting on my own. Can't keep making exits from the pressure. Lessons after lessons, had to question these glaring design flaws. Can't keep love built from a love song.
Eventually.
So I just came back from the haircut. So basically, I did get the delivery. I can show you guys real quick. Alright, so this is the delivery, right? This is Jumia. Those of you guys that know Jumia, let me show you guys real quick. Alright, so this is what came in the delivery. This is actually a microphone. So this is how it looks like. This is what I had actually went to pick up.
Later that same evening.
Alright guys, so I'm in on some USD Swiss franc sales, as you guys can see right here. The reason why I'm actually in, we have NFP coming in around 5 minutes, as you guys can see. So basically the USD has been dropping since they started, and then we have NFP coming here, and I've seen a bit of bearish numbers that could drop in. So basically as you guys can see, prices did drop initially, got a pullback, sellers did come in. Now second pullback, still seeing sellers rejecting this on the lower time frame. This is the 15-minute, but on the 5 minutes we are seeing wicks around this area. So basically I've got in just because of this NFP numbers. So I'll be updating you guys in a minute. We still have around 5 minutes to go. Let's get it. Alright guys, so the NFP has came out. So basically I was looking at these numbers. You guys can see we had the 130 which was facing a 185. You guys can see that. So basically from a 130 we had a 177, which is actually very bullish considered to the numbers that were expected. So this obviously makes the NFP look positive towards the upside. So as you guys can see, we did get the rejection, but prices, the NFP just went the opposite direction. I don't know if I'm finna get in another trade, but I'm still looking at this, and I'll be updating you guys in a minute. Let's get it.
I don't know what you guys think about this mic right here. But other than that, you guys saw what happened with the trades. Um, it's just one of those days in trading. I mean, anything in trading could happen. You could win today, you could lose tomorrow. And if you have lost today, it doesn't really mean that you will lose tomorrow. So again, it is what it is. That's the trading game. It's a space that we're in. So basically, don't forget to hit the like button. I'll be getting back to you guys in a minute. Let's get it.